How to paint a golf cart. Hiring a professional to paint your golf cart is expensive. To avoid this expense, simply paint it yourself. The following details how to paint a golf cart. Steps. 1. Prepare the golf cart for painting. Strip all trim and bumpers. Clean the entire cart. Apply wax and grease remover to the body of the cart. Apply duct tape to the edges of the front window. Sand down the existing paint until you have reached the original primer. Clean and apply patches to any rusted areas. Apply body filler to any minor flaws on the cart. Apply an acrylic glazing compound over the filler. Sand down the cart again. 2. Cover areas that you do not want to paint. Use masking tape and plastic to cover any areas that you will not paint. Use 2 layers of masking tape if there are any holes or tears in the first layer. Place cardboard or a drop cloth on the ground. 3. Apply primer to the golf cart. Apply a coat of primer to the golf cart and allow it to dry for 20 minutes. Apply a second coat of primer and allow it to dry for 1 hour. Once dry, lightly sand the area that the primer was applied to in order to remove minor flaws. Then, clean off any dust with a towel. 4. Paint the golf cart. Use a spray gun and aim it perpendicular to the area you are painting. Hold the spray gun approximately 1 foot (0.3 m) from the surface that you are spraying. Apply the base coat of paint and wait 20 minutes for it to dry. Apply a second coat of paint and wait 20 minutes for it to dry. Apply a third coat of paint and wait 1 hour for it to dry. 5. Apply sealer to the golf cart. Use 2 thin coats of sealer. Make sure the sealer is compatible with acrylic paint. Allow 30 minutes for the sealer to dry between the first and second coats. 6. Allow the cart to dry for 24 hours. Remove the masking tape and plastic. Tips. Do not rush through your work. Be sure that all paint is dry before adding additional coats. Apply only a small amount of acrylic glazing compound at first. If too much is used, it will shrink. If working indoors, be sure that there is enough ventilation. Use a plastic spreader to apply body filler evenly. Use a knife to smooth out the filler when it is almost hardened. The paint, primer, and sealer should be available at any local auto body paint shop and through online retailers. Things. Wax. Grease remover. Duct tape. Sandpaper. Patches. Body filler. Masking tape. Plastic. Cardboard or drop cloth. Primer. Acrylic paint. Sealer. Towel. Spray gun. Goggles. Dust mask. Gloves.